So today I had gone for an event and there were all sort of women there, working women. Now they were bakers, boutiques, or per se jewelry. There was also someone who was also trying to sell some powders to make you lose weight. Now I have nothing against them, but I will never recommend you to do powders to lose weight. Okay, there are different kind of brands under some life product. Okay, I will not take the name, but it's my request, मोटे रह लेना लेकिन उसको पी के पतला मत होना. आई हैव लिटरली 10 cases right now in this month who have come after damaging their system. They lost 10 kilos but it all came back. मतलब आप कैसे 2 टाइम एक प्रोटीन शेक या एक शेक पी के वेट कम कर रहे हो? नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. मोटे रह लो प्लीज़. इट्स माई हैंड फोल्डेड रिक्वेस्ट. डू नॉट कंज्यूम दीज आर्टिफिशियल थिंग्स. See, besides this, my agenda of working, when I work with women, and I always hear my clients coming back to me after 10 years, 15 years. Why? Because my agenda is, कोई बात नहीं, वेट नहीं कम हो रहा है, 68 पे अटके हुए अटके रहने दो. 3 to 4 things are very important, and primarily one is that you sleep well. Okay, you really sleep well, you wake up fresh, you poop daily. Very, very, very important, right? Evacuation is very important. You do some sort of movement, exercise, you feel lighter. There is no anxiousness in the system. You are eating nicely. You're a woman, you need to understand you need food to function. Now what kind of food, the quality of food matters. Kabhi zyada kabhi kam is okay. And also the importance of fasting, not per se to make you lose weight or to give you headaches, but to make you feel fantastic inside that body. So please कृपा करके उल्टी सीधी डाइट्स ना करें. यू आर वे अबव डाइटिंग. आधे टाइम या तो हम डाइट कर रहे होते हैं पतले होने के लिए, या मेंटेन कर रहे होते हैं, या ओवर ईटिंग कर रहे होते हैं. कैन वी जस्ट नॉर्मलाइज द फैक्ट ऑफ ईटिंग क्लीन फूड, राइट? Why is it so hard? Why do you feel कि oh God I am on a diet, या मैं ज़िंदगी भर डाइट पे रहती हूँ? Why can't be about just eating clean food and nourishing your body with right multivitamins and supplements? See, right now also, I'm gonna take my dose of multivitamin, and this is vitamin B. I mean, मेरे पास बहुत samples आते हैं, but of course I choose what I want to put in my mouth. So correct multivitamin, some sort of exercise. कभी weight ज़्यादा है, कभी कम है. It's okay. I mean, you're way beyond it.